Here we come to the elevator at the Beck building at the Museum of Fine Arts Houston in Houston, Texas. I actually got messed up. This is the Beck building. The other building over there we filmed, that is the Law building with the ESCO elevator. That building over there is the Law building. This is the Beck building that we're in. So sorry I got mixed up in my previous video. Let's try, here we go. It's a Schindler. Here it is. Wow, look at this cab. This is neat. One. Can't even hear the motor that well. That motor doesn't sound good either. Back down to LL. The phone. It's a very neat cab. Button goes out, and here we are at LL. There's a desk right near the elevator upstairs. So we're going to end the video here. There it goes in. That's it.